Automobile and pedestrian accidents happen. They don't happen a lot, but they do happen on a regular basis. Pedestrians, when they're crossing the road, generally have the right of way. However, they also need to take precaution for their own safety. They need to be walking in the lanes available for walking across the street. They also have to abide by the signs that are flashing at them, or to use common sense. As we said, my professor in law school said, you get a lot more money when you get hit by a car if you're a pedestrian, if you're in the walkway, as opposed to when you're not. But that doesn't mean that a car that weighs 4,000 pounds, that's moving down the highway, can decide to just run over a pedestrian because they're in the walkway, or even if they might be in a little bit of an unsafe situation. Obviously, the automobile driver is in a position to make observations. They have the danger, they have the vehicle moving at high rates of speed, or even low rates of speed when you have no protection, as a pedestrian does. So pedestrian accidents are very fact dependent. Many times we have to piece it together from witnesses that hopefully observed the accident. If there aren't any witnesses, then we'll have to bring in a reconstruction team to find out where were the people located, where did the injury take place. Many times, believe it or not, people are hit so hard by a car that the shoe, they're literally knocked out of their feet. The shoe comes right off. And the location of the shoe becomes very important in connection with recreating an automobile pedestrian accident. Automobile pedestrian accidents tend to be catastrophic because the pedestrian has no protection, and the vehicle, when it hits you even at low rates of speed, has lots of power, lots of velocity, lots of mass. So when you come to a pedestrian accident, the pedestrian generally has the right of way. The pedestrian many times is unfortunately hurt very badly. It's very important to piece together the accident scene as quickly as you can after an accident, so it can be determined where the pedestrian was and under what circumstances did the